भुनक्तु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। We'll read 22nd verse. Asharirgam sharireshu anavasteshvavasthitam mahantam vivamatmanam matva dhiro na shochati. Next. Nayamatma pravachanena labhyah na medhaya na bahuna shrutena yamevaisha vrunute tena labhyah तस्यैषात्मा विवृणुते तनूगं स्याम्। नायमात्मा प्रवचनेन लभ्यः न मेधया न बहुना श्रुतेन यमेवैष वृणुते तेन लभ्यः तस्यैष आत्मा विवृणुते तनूगं स्याम्। तस्यैष आत्मा विवृणुते तनूगं स्याम्। We had seen that the topic of Atma Swarupam was discussed from verse number 18 to 22nd. And what we saw from verse number 18 to 22nd is that Atma is of the nature of consciousness. Second point, Atma is Nirvikar, non-modifying. Third point was Atma is not doer enjoyer. Fourth point was Atma is immanent in all. Fifth point was Atma is obtained in the Buddhi. Sixth point was Atma is difficult to know, Durvignayatvam. And seventh point yesterday we saw was Atma is all pervading. So there were 7 points which we saw from the nature of the self from verse number 18 to verse number 22nd. From these verses are very important because in general what you must have thought about Atma and what you are hearing must be very different if what you have heard for the first time especially. So generally we have some weird concepts about Atma. Like it is inside the body, it travels, it is shining. So this kind of notions we have from our childhood. Many Atmas are there. Death is the meaning, Atma leaves the body, then Atma comes. So all these things must have got little clarity at least. It may be sounding not very easy in the beginning, but don't leave the effort. We saw that yesterday. Again, I will repeat 7 points. Atma is consciousness. Second is Atma is non-modifying. Third is Atma does not have doership, enjoyership. Fourth point, Atma is in all immanent. Fifth point, it is obtained in the intellect. Sixth point, it is difficult to know. And seventh point, it is all pervading. It is not confined by the body. These 7 points about the Atma you should not forget. Otherwise all our discussion will be wasted. So you have to retain it. Now 23rd and 24th verses are diversion from Atma Swarupam. This is called incidental diversion. What is the diversion here? Instead of telling about Atma, Yamraj is now telling about Atma Sadhan, Atma Gyan Sadhan. This is one style followed in the Upanishads. That after talking something very difficult, they come back for some time to our level, because some students are not understanding what has been taught. So when they are not understanding, Shruti recognizes. Shruti means Vedas, and after that he said, okay, you're not understanding, I think you have to go back to your sadhana. Sadhan Chatushta, you have to go back. So this mantra, as I said, is very, very important. It is not important, it is not very important. It is very, very important, and you have to by heart it. What this mantra says, that in the knowledge, in getting the knowledge about the Atma, what is the most important thing? First I will tell the general meaning, then I will go to the verse word by word. The most important thing in this knowledge about the Atma is one should have chosen the Atma Gyan itself. What? Chosen the Atma Gyan. One who chooses that I want to have knowledge of the self, he alone will have the knowledge. Main thing is, what is the main thing here? Main thing is that there are many desires in us. Just that we started our classes, Arth Purusharth, Kam Purusharth, Moksha Purusharth, and Dharma Purusharth. Sorry, third was Dharma, then was the Moksha. How the desire of the self arises. I will just take you fast. First, a person tries to find solution in the outside world. He wants to change this person, change that person. He feels one situation will come in my life, everything will be fine. This person is, supposing we give him one name, his name, I name him situationist. Just a name. Because his conviction is that situation will change one day, and I will be very happy in the situation. Someday I will, maybe I'll marry, when I'll have job, when I'll have child, or when I have more money, well, life will be full of rest. All problems will go away forever. This is his hypothesis. And he works for the situation, and he feels if situation does not come right as he wishes, So he blames somebody in life. Maybe he compliments somebody because of him, or I got it because of him, I did not get the job. This is the lowest class of person. He is not at all a seeker. He is a total worldly person. Don't understand worldly means is married. Don't give this, Worldly does not mean married. The wrong things we should not keep in our mind. Worldly does not mean married, and not married does not mean non-worldly. Don't all these newspaper terminologies, you have to get out of it. So this is one thing. So he struggles in this world. He goes here, there, he does everything, and he realizes one thing, that a situation cannot be changed too much. You may think I want to run away from the situation, but situation does not give you sufficient choice to run away. If you run away, you will find a more difficult situation. And that situation will never come which you are dreaming. And even when it comes, it will be for a short time. The factor which determines the situation. I'm not saying situation cannot be good at all. Those who do good actions, those who have done very good actions in the past, their situation is good. I'm not saying that there is nothing called, maybe out of 100% component in the situation, very good actions somebody has done, 85% component are favorable. 90% may be favorable. But 100% human birth will not give you favorable. 80-90% very good actions. House is also good, job is also good, money is also good, health is also good, father is also good, mother is also good, and wife is also good, children is also good, in-laws are also good, neighbor is also good, office is also good, and that too is continuing. मुश्किल लग रहा है तो difficult. I'm repeating it, not impossible. Maybe he has done very good actions in the past. जिमी सरिता सागर पही जाही, यद्यपि ताही कामना नाही. जिमी सरिता सागर तिमी सुख संपत्ति बिनहि बिलाए, पुण्य पुरुष पही जाही सुभाया. Vasish ji tells to Dasharath ji in Ayodhya Kand, like the rivers rush towards ocean, although ocean does not desire. Similarly, those who have done very good actions, the joy rushes towards him. जिमी सरिता सागर पही जाही, यद्यपि ताही कामना नाही. तिमी सुख संपत्ति बिनहि बुलाए, पुण्य पुरुष पर जाही सुभाया. So I am not saying that everybody's situation is bad only. I will only say that there may be a person whose situation is very good. 100% component is almost difficult for a long time. He will go to Swarg otherwise. Human being he got, that means some kind of bad fruits are also there. And therefore Dasharath ji also had to suffer, Vasudev ji also had to suffer, Devaki ji also had to suffer, Yashoda ji also had to suffer. But very good actions, so their action, Dasharath ji whole life he had excellent. इम समान न कोई शिव अवराधे. Ab who had a great son, 4 great sons were there. With Kekai also whole life was very good. There was no problem as such. No serious problem came to Dasharath. The end was not good, but the life was very good. Kekai was not a problematic person whole life. So you can say He had an excellent fruit of action who had great sons and great kingdom. Indra used to share his throne with him. I mean, a lot of good actions people may have done. How do you know they have not done? So when a person goes in the situation and tries to change the situation, he realizes I can't change it a lot. Then he goes, well, what determines the situation is my actions of the past. And therefore now he goes to change his actions instead of changing a situation. And then from situationist, he becomes actionist. Actionist means he tries to do good actions so that his good situation. He is not blaming anybody. No, he will say, if he is like that, I think I am responsible in some way. काहू न को सुख दुख कर दाता निज कृत कर्म भोग सुनु भ्राता. Lakshman ji says to Nishad Raj, nobody gives sorrows and joys, it is our own fruit have come in the form of person. So he tries to change his action, he tries to do more seva, he tries to be more sweeter, he tries to be more pure intentioned person. This is his second, he has grown over. So he's not, he says he acceptability of the situation without reacting. This comes in his mind. He says, I am responsible for that. The moment you feel you're responsible, then you are not angry on anybody or you don't have hatred of, because you feel I only have made this poverty, I have only made this disease, I have only make this bad name, I am responsible for that. Chalo, good. Therefore, Rag Dvesh goes away from this mind. At least it loosens. He becomes an actionist. He tries to improve his actions a lot. Second stage. Third stage, after doing action, he feels there are numberless fruits of action. Even after doing lot of good actions also, I do some bad action. And from the past also some fruit is coming. So I cannot do good action 24 hours. Nobody can do good action 24 hours unless he is a great saint. Our intentions are sometimes not good, our speech is not good. So this is the third stage. Second stage. From second stage, from actionist, slowly he tries to pray now to get what was not getting by action. So from actionist, he has now evolved to be religious. He becomes prayer oriented person. He does puja. He brings God now because he knows my plans are not working a lot. Third stage. Is it okay? Third stage. Okay. And slowly he brings that I'm going to do some kind of performance. So good actions now plus rituals. Plus rituals. He becomes religious. Not satsangi. Religious understand. Religious world who is inclined towards doing some rituals, rituals. Karm kand he is. He observes Ekadashi Vrat, he observes. He observes fast in Shivratri. He observes some kind of penance. He goes walking towards some temple. There is Siddhivinayak temple in Bombay. So some people walk from their house to Siddhivinayak, especially film stars. That temple is known for film stars. So if the new film has to be released, so they walk 10 kilometers on the road. This weather's also have entertainment. Just now Smriti Irani defeated Rahul Gandhi. So she also walked to say thank you to Siddhivinayak. Religious this. Bhagwan is the now. Bhagwan is a means, not the end. कोई बात नहीं. Don't tell to these people, don't ask anything to Bhagwan. Only I'm asking. At least they brought Lord in their life in some manner. So they are little more relaxed than the actionist. An actionist is less reactive than the situationist. He is not blaming you spoiled my life. He will not say that. Where you are, you have to think. He does not say that because of, him, my life is totally gone. He spoiled my whole life. I have nobody now. This person will not say, I only must have done something. So, third level. Now this person who is religious, he develops some merits. And because of his merits, two things happen. What? Outer situation improves and there is a more build-up or faith in the heart. Now this religious person becomes a devoted person in due time. This devoted person means that he now brings Lord not for means, but slowly he goes to God to please him also. He is not totally devoted, but there is a percentage of devotion is increased. Only it was mine. Why you are offering prasad to Lord? Well, just I like to offer something. So not all the time prayer comes out. That the prayers start changing. How do you know a person has changed? Prayers changed. 10 years back your prayer may be something and now your prayer may be something. Okay. The quality of your prayer changes. This is how you see the person is changing or not. Same prayer won't be there now. So now in his prayer he also uses Prasida, Prasida, Prabho Manmathari. Please be happy, please be happy. Well, what you want, well, nothing you have given, it is all okay, it's fine. He becomes a religious person. Devoted person. How many? 4? 4 is over. So he becomes more closer to God. He sits in front of God for some time. He does not have a very formal relation now. A religious person has a formal relation. He develops a little informal relation with the Lord. How do you know your closeness with somebody is there? Your informal relations are more. Informal doesn't mean careless. Informal doesn't mean that you can say anything, do anything. Informal means innermost feelings you start sharing. Talking is more. Feeling is more. Okay. So this is the development. It was not that rush, I completed puja, ran away. I now sit with him. I talk also. I forgive. Seek forgiveness also. My prayer time has more of talking. I try to gauge what Lord wants. This is a religious, a devoted person. With this, his punya increases more. He is not in a rush too much to change the situation now. He said, "Jahi vidhi rakhe Ram, tahi vidhi rahiye." जिंदगी की डोर सब हाथ दीना नाथ के महलों में राखे जाए झोपड़ी में वास्ते. He starts desiring satsang now. He starts desiring Guru now. He starts desiring Ramayana Pravachan now. That person who wanted money once upon a time, he wants satsang now. The person who wanted husband wife once upon a time, he wants teacher now. The person who was very fond of eating different delicacies, he becomes camp delegate now. One who couldn't stop himself when anything came, he started eating immediately. Now he offers prayer now. Who was just eating like an animal, immediately putting in the mouth. Even if salt is there, he started licking the salt instead of waiting for the main dish to come. Now he says Brahma Arpanam. If he doesn't know the shloka, let us hold hands. Somehow God starts taking a driver's seat. I don't want money. Nice, okay. What do you want? More satsang I want. Now he starts going in the satsang. So from devoted person, he wants, in satsang he hears that world is full of sorrow. And the cause of sorrow is the fruit of action and your nature. Cause of sorrow is the tremendous amount of fruit of action. Like in one birth, this is your one birth. You have infinite number of fruits of action. How many fruits of? Crores, millions. Millions at least 600,000-700,000 must be released in this birth. 6,000-7,000. Hardly 1% is not even released. What? 1% is not released. Yes. So what more fruits are there? Lot of fruits are there. The fruit is there of being reborn as a squirrel. Fruit is born of having a good wife, maybe, or good husband, maybe. Well, I want some good husband, good wife. Okay, you will get some fruit is there. Wait, next birth you will get. But the son will be, what is it? Paraplegic? Huh? Paraplegic. Paraplegic son is there. But good husband is there. Paraplegic son, yes. But why I got this paraplegic? Because you were a police inspector in the last to last birth, used to hit people on their knees. But that fruit I am getting now. Why not that time? That time another fruit was operative. It couldn't come. Therefore, this is coming now. The next birth it is going to come. Money will be there. You will have money, lot of money. You donated a lot of Guru Dakshina you are giving. Everywhere in the temple, you never put a coin, you always put a note. Temple box, you never put a small coin. Ton, never, nobody's heard the sound. It was always 100 rand, 500, always full. 20% of your salary you used to give. So you'll never be short of money. You will get a very good job. You will have. Money problem is not in your horoscope. Health problem, health only migraine attacks will be there from time to time. But why migraine attack will be there? Because in that particular birth, whenever you see on whom are you walking, you used to kill lot of ants. You always trampled on the ants. You never saw you are walking. So I think hundreds of ants you killed. Because of that killing of ants, this is the problem. House, you will never get a very good house because you were cutting lot of trees. You will never get a good house. It will be apartment. House will never get a good house. Sprawling bungalow, no, you won't get it. You have to satisfy with something small. This is one birth only, I'm telling. There are numberless fruits are there. This person, because of his devoted life, God takes him to some satsang to hear. Acha. Will I pass away first or husband? Husband will pass away first. How long I have to live without the husband? 20 years, yes. My God. You'll die at the age of 86 years. 86 years, yes. 20 years, how will be? It will be okay. Not great because your health issues will start. You will have problems at the back will start at the 61. Diabetes will come at 65-year old. Diabetes also will be there. Ulcer, diabetes, and blood pressure, and you will have throat problem. So by the time you are 75, you will not be able to talk properly. All the fruits are there. All the fruits are all waiting here. All are sitting. Children won't be there. You only two son you have. One daughter-in-law will be serving. Other daughter-in-law will never come to see you also. Anyway, but why this so many mixed fruits? This is what mixing. This you hear in satsang. After hearing, this is how after that another birth I can describe. No, but this is enough. Let me first think. This is too much for me. Now this person, he goes to the teacher. He said, "Can't I get out of all these problems forever?" Teacher says, "This is what you should get out." So he starts as a mumukshu. I want to get out of all problems. I don't want another birth. Why? Who will deal 60, 70 life here, 86 years? How will I live? You will not be a very good student, by the way. Mediocre, yes, mediocre. You will be mediocre kind of student. Your marks will never go above 60%. Average you will be, rather less than average. Less than average. Why? Because you will not be intelligent. Why I will not be intelligent? Because you have never served anybody. Therefore, Vidya Devi is not very happy upon you. You will not be very extraordinary student. You will be average. Because you have not past birth also, you are weak. Past to past, never you put your mind. You are not a hard working person. You are a hardly working person. So you will never be a great student. You are a sleepy person. So you will not have lot of good marks. But good job you will get, no doubt. But as a student, you will never be very outstanding. Sometimes you will be standing out of the class, but never outstanding. Yes, सब सत्संग में. Then this person from devoted only, he becomes mumukshu. And from mumukshu, now he says, now his own karma phal takes him to a teacher. Teacher, satsang outside, shraddha, jigyasa inside. Again shall I say? Teacher, satsang, ashram life outside. Faith, tapasya inside. Because of his merits. Which merit? Vishnu Sahasranam he did. Jap he did. Gayatri Mantra he did. Seva of the Gurus, other saints he did. So this makes him, this is now ultimately, slowly, this is sixth step. No, it won't be fifth. Sixth it should be there. Then mumukshu he becomes. Mumukshu means seeker of liberation. So from, you saw the graduation. This is how he progresses. Then he goes to the saints now. Now his habit is to go to saints. Why? Because he doesn't want a great situation. He doesn't want lot of money. All his priorities have changed. He doesn't want clapping. Only people will clap for you. Only I don't want this. Why? He developed this passion. People will give you nice clothes. I don't want it. But you only were one day putting on very nice clothes. Once upon a time you were after nice clothes. You dress up so nicely once upon a time. Fond of dressing. I don't want it. Nice food has been prepared. I don't want it. Why you are not? What happened to you? I will focus. I want all my energies to focus in one direction now. How many desire? I should have only one desire. So from mumukshu he becomes jigyasu. Tivra jigyasu he becomes. Chaturvidha bhajante mam jana sukritino arjuna artho jigyasur gyani cha bharatarshaba. And again I'm seeing straight away if I told no this that one should have only desire for liberation, you would have got a jolt. Oh, what is happened to? Therefore, I have to take you to steps. It will take maybe few births. Don't think all is in one birth only. Oh my God. Yes. From situationist you became actionist maybe only in one birth. अरे यार ये तो मर जाएंगे ऐसे and maybe you may have from actionist you may have become to religious person maybe in one birth 60 years 60 70 years past like this sir. Arey, I thought all is in one birth. Arey, what are you thinking? How much you have proved? Those who will early ask them. Pund is not there in birth. In this birth, Guru Satsang are not possible. Pund is not there. Sufficient Pund is not there. Little Pund, you will get some Barsati Satsang. Some kind of rainy Satsang, some days, somewhere at some place. Somewhere one saint has come, go and listen that. How many days? 3 days. Bas. Khatam. Regularly, Upanishad, Gita. What was the talk on? Talk on management. Manage the mind, manage the body. This talk was there. I was very happy, but it's over. What about Ramayana, Gita, Bhagavad, Pushvatika, Prasang, Sundar Kand, Aranya Kand? इतना नहीं, इतना है नहीं भाग आपका. कहाँ से मिलेगा सत्संग? Where you have this? दिखाओ जरा account. What good action you have done? नहीं. So Prarabdha will see that you don't meet a saint. Prarabdha will see that you don't come in the ashram. Something will come as an obstacle. Or something will happen in the house. Child is not well. Husband doesn't allow. Wife is not allowing. Or some issue, work came up in the house. It will see that you are kept far away. Arey, what is this? So sad. By doing this thing, nothing will happen. You have to increase your punya count. Don't think everything is just an accident, what is happening, going on. So from situationist, he becomes actionist. From actionist, he becomes religious person. From religious person, he becomes devoted person. From devoted person, he becomes satsangi. From satsangi, understand? Whose priority is satsang? And from satsangi, he goes to mumukshu. And from mumukshu, he becomes jigyasu. From jigyasu, he becomes tivra jigyasu. I want it urgently now. No other desire I have. This is the sequence.